On rain-soaked highways, a chilling tale unfolds. She appears like a specter in white, her figure illuminated by headlights, hand raised in desperate plea. Kind-hearted drivers, moved by compassion, offer shelter from the storm. But as they approach her given address, she vanishes, leaving only a damp seat and perhaps a trinket behind. The truth? That house belonged to a young woman who perished decades ago in a tragic accident on this very road. They say her spirit lingers, eternally seeking her way home. So next time you see a lone figure in white on a stormy night, remember, some passengers are destined to remain lost forever.